Hi guys!
Hi guys! We're here
Hindi
now.
makita. So hot. It's so hot in here. And
almost in the point view. Point view, but natalang me.
You know what time is it now? It's already 12:30. And we're walking under the sun. And it's very hot.
Te, dito te! Gamay nga kuha na niyo, 24.
Mainit eh.
Mainit nga. Di ka... Guwas. Lisa, are you okay?
I'm so tired.
But worth it.
So hot, but worth it, you see?
We are here now in the Cafe de Coral. Cafe de Aguilar. Cave de Aguilar. Nice. The view is nice. But the walking is not nice. Yeah, it's here already. You see the ambience of the... Ingon 30 minutes. Wala mo lagi. Chay. Welcome to my cave.
Welcome to the cave.
Duot kay mong nawong. You see the cave is under the cave. Wow, amazing. Worth it ang 35 minutes to walk under the rope. Oh, sulamig. Thank you, Lord, for the amazing nature. Hi, Lisa. So nice. You see? Say hi. Ayo na. Ano ko kung
Pag-alis mo, yun na, yung pagkain nakuha mo. Yun na nga, nag-drink ko kagad na akin.
Oh. Dingin, dili sige sekali ko. Hi, Lisa.